And as we're seeing a rise in COVID cases in kids, the Verify team is tracking your questions. Do parents have a right to see their children's medical records? Well, some of you have been talking about this very issue online, and the answer can be more complicated than you think. Liza Lucas turns to the experts and verifies.
Do parents have the right to see their child's medical records in the state of Georgia? As far as I knew, I had access until my child turned 18.
Emily, let's verify. Our sources are the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, the Medical Association of Georgia, and healthcare lawyer Angie Burnett. According to HIPAA, the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, parents are generally allowed access to their minor child's medical records, with some exceptions, like court-ordered health care, or if a parent agrees a minor and doctor can have a confidential relationship. There are also situations when the federal law defers to state law.
First, under federal and Georgia law, a minor who's 12 or older can present to a doctor or hospital for assessment of alcohol or substance abuse without a parent or guardian's consent.
Burnett says such laws encourage young patients to get help, and such records generally remain private unless the minor authorizes their release.
And then second, in Georgia, a minor under 18 can seek healthcare services regarding reproductive issues, including contraception and testing and treatment for STDs.
The Medical Association of Georgia confirms in those cases, the records do not need to be provided to a parent. And then there are privacy restrictions for health record portals online. Burnett says those are typically conservative in their default privacy settings.
Typically, we see about 12 and older. That would be consistent with the federal substance abuse regulations, for example. And then a parent signs a proxy to opt in to see the other types of information.
Burnett advises parents be aware of wording and access when setting up such accounts, or you can just go through your doctor's office directly. So we can verify, yes, parents generally have a right to their minor child's medical records, but there are exceptions based on varying state and federal laws.
Thank you so much, Liza.